Bandit ZT1844. It's a small track machine. It's got 1,000 cc's, 38 horsepower Kohler Commander motor. Basically, the motor has a PTO switch. This is the PTO right here. Connects the clutch. Once the clutch is connected, it turns the belt. The belt goes through a jack shaft, turns another belt, and that what turns the cutter head. So it's almost direct drive. It's pretty close. It's got it loses a little bit of horsepower through the belts, but not much. It's a lot better than having a hydraulic driven machine, because you lose a small amount of horsepower. Most of the power goes to the cutter head. And like I said, this machine is under 20,000 for a brand new machine, and it can do 90% of your work for a small tree service. And it's very light, very maneuverable. It's small and agile. You can carry it, you can pull it with almost anything. Like I said, I think it weighs like 15 or 1,600 pounds. And we did a few modifications on it, but not much. But they're good little machines if you're just starting out, or you need a second machine, or you need a machine that you can pull on a landscape trailer with a mini skid. And basically, you won't have to call anybody 90% of the time. You'll be able to do most of your stumps in and out pretty quickly. And then you can do stumps on the side as well. But we've had it for about a little over 2 years, and we're happy with it. I think it has, I can't read it, whatever that is, 178 hours, something like that. But I really like the machine. Bang for bang, or dollar for dollar, bang for your buck. I think this is the best deal for your money for a new machine. I would buy one again. I'm actually thinking about getting another one. And this mini skid by Ditch Witch, the 752 and the 800. I had a 755 I sold, but starting a tree service, you need one or two of these and one or two of those. A landscape trailer and a couple grapple buckets. And I just got a VersaGrab too, but yeah, these are very handy. We just put new tracks on that one. We're getting a brand new 800 here, probably about a month or so, waiting for the new shipment to come in. But this is another machine, bang for bang, dollar for dollar, bang for your buck. Best machine out there for the money. I've had, the first one I had was a 2013. This is a 2017, and now I'm getting a 2020. But I wouldn't buy anything else. They're just solid machines. As long as you change the fuel filters out and keep the oil changed, it'll be a good machine for many years. My first machine had over 6,000 hours, and I sold it for, I mean, it was good resale value. I'm not gonna tell you what the price is, but he got a good deal and I got a good deal. So everybody's happy, and he's got a great machine, and I was enough to get enough to put down on a newer machine. So you're not gonna lose any money on the machines. They're just gonna make you money, and then if you ever do sell them, you're gonna get good retail sale or resale out of them. So thanks for Ditch Witch of North Florida and Travis. He sold me, I think, 2 or 3 machines. And Brian, they're really good. Go to North Florida Ditch Witch dealer in Orange Park on Wells Road. They'll take care of you. This is Roger with Roger's Reviews. Thanks for watching.